Namaskar. Welcome to Ajay Astro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the global commodities market. Today, we will be discussing the recent developments in the wheat market, where prices have shown notable gains despite underlying crop concerns. Let's dive into the details. Wheat prices ended this week on a positive note, overcoming some late week pressure thanks to strong gains seen earlier in the week. The standout performer this time was Minneapolis spring wheat, which surged by 31 quarter cents, or 4.97%, making it the leader in the wheat market, a shift from its usual trailing position. Kansas City December wheat also posted solid gains, rising by 21 quarter cents or 3.68%, while Chicago December wheat increased by 9 3/4 cents or 1.68% for the week. According to the latest USDA report, U.S. wheat production for 2023 is estimated at 1.971 billion bushels, down by 11 million bushels compared to the August forecast. This decline is mostly due to a 12 million bushel drop in winter wheat output. As of September 1st, U.S. wheat stocks were recorded at 1.985 billion bushels, which was slightly lower than market expectations. Planting progress for winter wheat has been promising, with 39% of the crop planted as of last Sunday. This is 1% ahead of the average pace for this time of year. U.S. wheat export sales also picked up during the week ending September 26, with total sales reaching 443,697 metric tons. This brings the total export commitments to 11.713 million metric tons. However, this figure is still below the USDA's export target, currently standing at just 52% of the forecast, which is lower than the usual 56% for this time of year. Looking at the futures market, the Commitment of Traders report shows that speculators in Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT, wheat have reduced their net short positions by 3,516 contracts, leaving them with a total net short of 22,953 contracts. Meanwhile, in Kansas City wheat, speculators trimmed their net short positions by 4,676 contracts, bringing the total down to 15,270 contracts as of October 1st. To sum up, despite some concerns over wheat production and exports, the market has shown resilience with strong gains, led by Minneapolis spring wheat. Keep following us for more detailed updates as we continue to monitor the market. Thank you for tuning in to Ajay Astro Money Guru. Stay informed, stay ahead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such insightful updates on the commodities market. Until next time, stay profitable.